So, Valentine's Day is just around the corner. And so, if you're running a social media campaign, then Canva has some perfect templates to help you create eye catching posts in no time. I do know that we're not even through Christmas yet, but if you are a business or you're a content creator, I know that you're already thinking about the next holiday. So today I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite Valentine's themed Canva templates along with some idea posts, some design elements, and maybe even some catchy slogans to make your campaign a success. If you don't know me, my name is Lauren, and this is Caroline at Canva Crew. If you are here just because you want to be part of a crew and you don't know where you belong, then you are always welcome here. If you are here because you like designing and you want to make money designing, then you're definitely in the right place. So, if you like today's content, please like and subscribe, but I hope you stick around. So, the first thing I want to get into is why do we want to use Valentine templates for campaigns? And so, Valentine's Day, it's one of the biggest marketing opportunities of the year. So, whether you're running a promotion, you're trying to engage your audience, or you're just spreading some love, this is a great way to do that. Some of the benefits that it has here is that it has some ready to use designs and it's going to help you save some time. So all you have to do is now customize to match your branding or your campaign goals, and then just include some, festive elements, maybe like hearts, cupids, flowers, or just the general color scheme of Valentine's Day. So the first one that I want to share with you is actually a flash sale Instagram post, and so that's what you're going to type in to your Canva templates. And as you can see here, you already have some that are pre-made, so you can do this all from scratch. Any of these you can, but you already do have some that are ready to go, and maybe you really like them and you can just change some colors and some elements. So this one is going to be the promotional or the sales announcements, and so that's the one that we'll be doing as an example today. So let's go ahead and open this up and click customize this template. You want to have something that has more of a bold kind of topography feel here, something that maybe says flash sale or even limited time offer. For the decorative elements here, maybe you want to look for something that has hearts or glitter or rose petals that you could add to these. Color templates that do really well for these flash sale things, and that obviously goes along with Valentine's Day. You would be thinking pink or reds. So let's go over here and just try to some change some colors around so we can see what that might look like. So now we've changed that color to red. Maybe let's try a pink. I actually like the way that one looks. Maybe we'll do this one black. Let's change the background color here to pale. We'll match that. So that changed both. Let's go red for that one too. And then for elements, you could add in some hearts. So we want pink or red hearts. I don't know. Maybe you could even do something like that. Make it a little transparent and then just send it to the back so it's behind things. There's a lot of things that you could do with this. So this would be, let's see, some of the slogan ideas you could do here is, what's some cute ones? Love is in the air. That one doesn't get old. Love is in the air, and so are these amazing deals. Get 20% off, 30% off, whatever. You can change all of those percentages according to what you're offering. Treat your loved ones or yourself. This is a limited time offer. Any slogans I do here, I'll probably go ahead and put in the description box in case you want to use them. But if you want to change any of those elements, you're more than welcome to. So you can add a specific product image if you wanted. You could add a frame and put a product image in there. You could add multiple ones, duplicate it for different times, and maybe change the color scheme and see what hits the best to your audience or your demographic. And I don't know, you could just, I think I would add maybe something relating to the product so I could drive conversions a little bit. But that's the first one. Let's see what else we got. The second one we're going to do is a countdown to Valentine's Day. And you could do that on Instagram too, but you can do that on any, for any social media or anything. But let's just see, we'll just open up one here. So for this one, we're thinking more about an engagement focused countdown series. So for this, I might actually use some animation, animated hearts, the numbers, maybe do some floating balloons. And so you can think about adding stickers here or GIF or GIF, however you say it, those style graphics you could use there. Cupid's arrows would go well here. Chocolate boxes. Just think Valentine's Day elements. If you don't know what you want to do, you can just type in Valentine's elements. And there's many different graphics, photos, videos. You could, this is a really popular thing right now, is these like coquette bows. Let's see, if you felt like it was too bright, you could just change the transparency a little bit. Here, maybe animate that. Yeah, something like that. So when it goes onto your social media, you have that. For this, you can say like, X amount of days till Valentine's Day. Are you ready to spread the love? Countdown to the big day. Stay tuned. Maybe I'm not great at this one. If I think of any more, I will put it in the description box. The other things, let's see, you could do is carousel posts for Instagram. So search Instagram carousel post. For this, you might want to make multiple slides with the transitions and just show your different product ideas. So maybe you're selling a digital product in a bundle. You could put all your designs through like that. That's actually also really good to put on any platform. You might put like the product mock-ups. And for this though, I would think that they should have like a cleaner aesthetic. For this one, we'll just click this one on here, but you could do things like gift boxes or ribbons. Hearts are always good too, but whatever you're doing, just make sure you have some kind of cohesive design. So I would just add a couple pages by duplicating them right up here, and maybe you change your picture. Let's just say you have, oh, you gotta get rid of the other one. You have this one, and then get rid of this picture and put that. And then you can maybe animate it and show your different product ideas. It's just an example. So maybe for here you could do like a Valentine's Day gift guide. This is not what I'm doing right here. This is just to kind of show you how easy it is to just put something in there. Something that you want to present to somebody special, like maybe you could send this digitally, or swipe for 5 thoughtful gift ideas they'll absolutely love. So if you're someone who is really good at designing things for a certain person, maybe like 5 gifts that any of your fishermen would love or something like that, that would be a really good way to showcase your design. It's very easy to duplicate them and keep the same aesthetic going. Very, very easy to do all that with this one. Let's see, for my last one, I would say something because, it's Valentine's Day, kind of love is in the air. We might want to we'll just go with the Instagram post. You can resize any of these and make them into different content. So don't think just because we're doing it this way necessarily that you have to do it this way as well. So if you're talking about an Instagram post, let's see, we'll go to design, and I would say inspirational, and I'll probably go ahead and move that. You could obviously change the picture in the background if you wanted to do that, but when you're talking inspirational, you're talking that it's going to be engagement focused here. So maybe I would use some romantic fonts for the quote text. You could use florals or watercolors would be really good with this one, even if they're only just the borders. You can make backgrounds like a softer gradient. You could add gradients and different shadows and just show the different Valentine's Day themes. You could do in a world full of trends, be timeless, or I'm so bad at this. Love is the bridge between you and everything. Something like that, right? But it's very easy to duplicate. They have this bulk create tool now, so if you had a spreadsheet that had all the line items of the slogans you wanted to say, you could click this wherever you wanted to bulk upload those things, and you could upload that data here. Enter your spreadsheet, and it actually tells you when you right click, it'll say to enter the data of whatever you've named it. I don't have anything uploaded in here right now, but anyways, if you had 100 lines, it would make 100 of these posts, and it would just change the one section that you highlighted. So that's actually very, very nice. Some pro tips I would have when it comes to Valentine's Day and promoting, I would say keep it consistent. So maybe use the similar fonts, colors, the different elements so that it has a cohesive look, especially if it's on that same platform. So that would be something that I would recommend. That's where Brand Kits over here comes in really well. You could just easily upload your favorite fonts or your favorite color palettes, and definitely easy to do that. And all you have to do is just click and it will shuffle through those different color palettes that you have. And so it's very easy to make everything your brand. Incorporate your calls to action. So make sure you're saying shop now or tag your friends or click the link in the bio. Those are all really important things because sometimes people need to be told what to do. If you're one of those people, then like and subscribe now. Leverage the Canva Pro features if you're able to. So use animations also, like we did earlier, to make your post stand out. Because sometimes when you're just scrolling, it is nice if something catches your eye and those numbers are moving. It also gets people excited. There's limited time left. I love a countdown. So you can also access a lot of premium Valentine's elements if you have Pro, and that will give you probably more of a polished finish, if that makes sense. So which Valentine's Day template are you most excited to use? I would love to know in the comments if you're willing to share. But if you liked and found this content helpful at all, please do like and subscribe. Share if you will. But until next time, I thank you.